Have you been searching for a luxury vehicle with style and sophistication but won't break the bank? Look no further than this 2018 Mercedes-Benz E-Class 400 in diamond white with convertible soft top. With 18-inch twin 5-spoke performance wheels, remote keyless entry, rain-sense wipers, luxury leather heated and cooled seats, gloss black console with chrome accents, navigation, rear backup camera, premium audio system, satellite radio, mobile Wi-Fi hotspot, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 2418A.